Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is gonna be a what I eat in a day for keto. This is not something that I eat every day. I just gathered some recipes that I thought that you guys would enjoy, and they're simple to make, low calories, low carbs, and they're quite affordable. So I also wanted to give you guys an update of where I'm at in my keto journey. It's coming on the 6th week of being on keto. My starting weight was 232, and then my weight as of September 14th, which was a couple days ago on Friday, was 220. So I've lost about 12 pounds, and I know that a lot of that is water retention because I was eating carbs before I started doing keto. So once you get used to the low carbs, the water weight all falls off. So I know that now that I've lost all that water weight, that the fat's gonna just start burning. I've even noticed too that not just my weight's changing, but my overall appearance is changing. I've compared to myself to a photo I took on August 10th, I believe. Noticed my waist is slimming down, my stomach looks smaller, my legs look smaller, and I feel great. It's awesome. So just stay tuned for the recipes coming up. I'm using 2 cups of coffee, iced double protein, the Walden's chocolate syrup, 0 carbs, 0 calories, and heavy whipping cream. I want to blend with ice and just make it to the consistency that you want. Next one is 2 eggs mixed with cheese and buttermilk, and 3 turkey sausages, 2 pieces of turkey bacon, and this chipotle aioli sauce I use as a dip. It's lower in carbs than ketchup is. Next recipe is a bacon pickle popper. This is the stuff that goes inside the pickle. It consists of 1 cup of cream cheese, a tablespoon of sour cream, some red chili flakes, you could be the judge of how much goes in, and some salt and pepper, and then half of a cup of cheese. You're gonna wanna mix all 4 ingredients into a mixing bowl. You can use a wooden spoon or a hand mixer if you have one. Just make sure it's a creamy consistency.
Now, as for the pickles, what you want to do, you want to get 6 to 8 pickles depending on the size. Slice them in half and then scoop out as much as you can without disturbing the actual skin. Be sure to soak up the moisture with like a cloth or a paper towel. Once you've stuffed all the pickles, they should look something like this. And we are going to wrap them with applewood smoked bacon.
Okay, so you're gonna take 1 piece of bacon per pickle. Just kind of put it on the top of the pickle and then wrap it around and around. And then just place it back on the pan. These are the pickles before they're going in the oven. They're gonna go in at 400 and they're going in for 35 to 40 minutes depending on how thick the bacon is. This is the finished product. They look amazing. And you can take these and dip them in whatever you want. We're probably gonna dip them in ranch mixed with buffalo sauce for a little spice. This is Brandon and I's lunches for the week. I use lean ground beef, salsa, sour cream, avocado, shredded cheese, and shredded romaine lettuce. I also drizzled a ranch buffalo sauce over top of the whole thing. This is a cauliflower mac and cheese. You're gonna wanna take a head of cauliflower and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Cauliflower you just chopped and put it into boiling water and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. The next step is to make the sauce. I took about 4 ounces of cream cheese onto the stovetop and I'm gonna heat it up. I'm taking this double cheddar pasta sauce. I found this in the States. I've never seen it in Canada, but I'm sure you could use a Alfredo sauce as an alternative. The next ingredient is shredded cheese. I just used about half a cup and added it to the cream cheese and the pasta sauce. The next ingredient I used was lean ground beef. This is already pre-cooked from a previous recipe, but I just went ahead and added that to the sauce. The next ingredient I went and added is about a 1/4 cup of the heavy whipping cream. This is just gonna give the sauce a thick consistency. After your cauliflower is boiled, you're gonna wanna drain it and then take the sauce mixture and add it right to the cauliflower. Once the sauce and the cauliflower are evenly mixed, you're gonna wanna dump it into a casserole dish and layer it evenly. I'm just taking some more shredded cheese and putting it on top. You're gonna wanna bake it at 350 for half an hour. And this is the finished product. It turned out so good, and we had enough for leftovers for the next day too. So that sums up what I eat in a day. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you like the way I laid it out with the macros, the how-to, and also let me know if you want more recipes because I have a bunch up my sleeve. And see you in the next video.